Alright, let's do this. Let's see what we doing. Hey, hi. It's not allowed. Get back. And do not try anything funny. Oi, how did you? 3? Ooh, 2 and 1. Jeez. Hello, Zoms. Ooh. Let me blow up your arm. How did you die? It just hit you in the arm. There we go. Come on. What? What do you want? You do this every time I play in the game. God, you're really messing up my shooting here, and I'm not really liking that. You're messing me up. Stop. Please stop. Please stop. Oh my god. Stop. Stop. You're making me. Crush if you don't stop. Come on. Oh my god. God. Alright. Where did you guys even come from? You came from these windows over here. Gee, what? I need to build a wall so these zombies don't get me. Especially because it's not working because you're messing me up and I do not appreciate that. Woohoo. Hey, don't tear up these boards. Oi. That's why you get a head. That's why you get a shot to the... Hey. I had to unlock that so I wouldn't get crammed in a bunch of zombies and stuff. What? What do you want from me? I give you mercy. Not really mercy because you're dead now and you're already been dead forever. Ooh, 2 and 1. Hello, Mr. Sandman, Tony Stark. Hello, Bob the Builder. Ah, shit! Hey! That's not allowed. It's not allowed. Stop that. Oi! Stop jumping off these railings! That legitimately scared me. I'm sorry for all of your ears. I'm sorry. Any zomzoms over here? Nope. But there's zomzoms over here, though. Die, you son of a cracker! Got the invincible! Oh my god, that's bad. No, thank you. I do not appreciate what you're doing, sir. Sir. Oi. Stop it. This is me. This is lonely. Okay. Oh, there's a zombie over here. Wait, no, but it's just a pole. I'm stupid. I'm blind. Have this knife to the throat. Yeah! That's what you're... Oh, you shy! Hey! Stop. Oh my... That's not good. Ma'am. Unless you want your... I'm gonna... Whoop, there's your head. You're not really getting ahead on life, so. I mean, oh my. Hey, stop it. You're not really getting ahead on life, and I don't really blame you there, because I've been there before. Have a knife to the throat. Oh my. I'm about to die. I'm about to die. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm about to die. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh my God. Get away from me! I only got 33 kills. Yeesh. That's not good. Not good, hey. You should play next time, because you're really good. I've seen you play without my permission. Don't you have your own Xbox? Then why don't you play yours? Survive 4 rounds. That is just sad. Well, I would play Vanguard, but my, it's not letting me connect to the, like it does, like the, well, never mind, just never mind. I'm not good at explaining things. Yeah. Run! Run, my boy! Run as fast as your legs can. Run! Oh! I didn't know I had grenades! I'm so... Hello! Headshot to the face! I didn't know I had grenades. I feel stupido. Bizarre. Here, eat the grenade. Woo! Eat the... How does that grenade taste? I wonder if it tastes good. Yeah. There's a zombie over here. Ooh, that's a headshot for real! Hey, you're not taking down these things over here. Excuse you? What did I just say? That's why you got a that's why you got a bullet to the head. You don't listen. Neither did you. Ooh! Congrats combo. Thank you for that. Alright. Hello, Mr. Zombie. Headshot. Ooh, missed. Whose fault is that? You distracting me. I do not appreciate that. Hey, hey, it's a beautiful, lovely day. Hey, miss, I might advise you, you're gonna get your head blown off in a couple of seconds. Ooh, that was clean, clean. Oh, oh my, ooh, hey, hey, that's no. Here, eat a grenade, have a grenade. It's free. It's free, you can have it. It's a gift from me, I do not... No, thank you. Hello, zombie. Any more? Any more? Hey. You're not Spider-Man. Does anyone want a knife to the face? Do you want one? I do not think you would want one. It would pretty much hurt. But I don't think you would feel pain because you're a zombie. Ooh, double points. Give me that. Give me the money. Give me the money. Give me the money, bitch. Grenade. Have it. Have the grenade. You're welcome. That's free. Headshot. Yeah, let's go. I'm on a roll. Highway to hell. Off to never, never learn. Jeez. We know it. Oh my god. I cannot with myself. I really cannot. Hello? Who are you running? Why are you running? Did you eat the cookie jar again? Okay. Stop it. That's... don't touch. Don't touch. I do not give consent. Run, you coward! Oh my gee! Hey, 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 hey! What a beautiful, lovely day! Oh my god, I only got 22 kills. No, 29, 22, 22, 29. I cannot count numbers. Jeez. Having a freaking stroke counting numbers. Oh my god. Cannot. I should have just played GTA, but I don't really feel like playing. Oh. Congrats combo. Damn, that's sad. I only lasted 4 rounds. What? 12 headshots? Oh my god. I'm pissed off. Yeah, I'm pissed off. I only got 29 heads. 12. Jesus, I can't count. Or numbers. Jeez. Shit. Stop. Baby. Hey. Stop it. Knife to the face. You can have that. It's free. Any more zombies who want to challenge me? I will blow your head off to smithereens. Don't test me. I've done it before. Hey, sir. I do not appreciate that. That's why you got your head blown off. Here, have a grenade. It's free. You son of a biscuit! How dare you! You are mean. You're a big meanie. I do not appreciate what you've done to this world. There's zombies over here! You've done the wrong thing of bazisms. Don't question me. Headshot. Headshot to the face! You're gonna get a knife to the face in a minute, you coward. No! Hey! Back, you son of a biscuits. You do not appreciate. Stop it. Don't you growl at me, you die! Maxima, give me that! I needed it. I needed it for Christmas. Hey! No! Stop that. Hey! Here, have a grenade. It's free. Oh my... Gee, I can't... Hey! Excuse you! Stop it! No! Hey! Hey! What a beautiful, lovely day. Hey! Stop it. Hey! I blew up your arm. I didn't mean to do that. Hair grenade. It's free. Woo! Excuse you? Stop being rude, sir. Pay for your meal. It's full of lead. You can have bullets for food. I blew up your arm. I'm so sorry. Stay down. It would be better if you did. Excuse you? Wait, huh? Oh my. Hey. Huh? Hey. Hey. I'm a careful. Twa, hey! Twa, you're not. Here, have a grenade. That's free. It's free. It's a free grenade. You can have it. I don't want it. It looks like you need it more than me. Get away from the car! Do not kiss it! It's not free! Sir! Oh no. Hey! Get away from me. Here, have a grenade. It's free. It tastes like shit! Ooh, you exploded right in my face. I do not appreciate that, ma'am. Ow! You cut. Piddle. Run. Why are you screaming? I did nothing to you. Hey. Oi, 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 hiya, hiya, whee! Ma'am, stop it, please. Grenades. I have free grenades for you. Headshot. Thank you. That's not a hoosh, hishima, hunt, hajima. Ooh. Me shibara. No. Hajima. I don't have any more grenades. You ate them all, you monsters. Kaboom. Thank you. I'm good. I'm just... Jiba! Hey. Closed forever? Why though? I did nothing. Looks like those bugs things are coming back. I do not know! Get away from me! I do not give consent! Hi. Hey, 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 I do not give consent. Stop that. Hey, I do not give consent. Ah, you monsters. You monsters. Damn it. Beneath. I do not give consent. I got 42 kills. That's sad. I wanted higher. I bet I'm going to just last like 4 rounds or 3. I should just play with other people. Probably Ronnie. See how many kills I got. Ooh, well, not really. 6 headshots, 42 kill. Damn. And I survived round 5. Oh, that's sad. Oh well.